Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about quadruple. So we've already talked about double, which means we have 2 times something. So if I have 1 pen and I double it, I now have 2 pens. After doubling, we talked about tripling, which means 3 times as many. So if I have 1 pen and I want to triple it, I would now have 3 times. 3 pens. It's like saying 1 plus 1 plus 1 is triple. Today, we're going to talk about quadruple. Can anyone guess how many times quadruple would be? If you said 4, you're absolutely right. So if I have 1 pen, what would quadruple 1 be? So I'm going to have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many pens would I have? 4 is absolutely right. Very good job, guys. So let's keep practicing. This time I'm going to have quadruple 2. So quadruple 2 means I'm going to have to add 2 together 4 times. So let's see. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So that's how we could write it in addition. How do you think we could write it in multiplication? If you said 2 times 4, you are absolutely correct. So very good job. We can now look at it with our gems. So let's get ready. We are going to now make 4 groups of 2. So let's look. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So here we can see we have 4 groups and 2 in each group. Let's count to see what quadruple 2 can be. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. The answer to quadruple 2 is 8. So let's try one more together. We're going to try quadruple. Let's have a guess. What number do you think? 3. We're going to try quadruple 3. So how many times are we going to have to add 3 together? 4 is the right answer. So great job if you said that. So let's see. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So we have the number 3. How many times? 4. Very good. And how would we write that in multiplication? If you said 3 times 4, super job. So we would have 3 times 4. So let's look at how we would get our answer. So 3 times 4 means we're going to have 4 groups of 3. So right now, we have 4 groups of 2. So we're going to add a gem, add a gem, add a gem, add a gem. We can now count by 3s to find our answer. So we can do 3, 6, 9, 12. So that means our answer is going to be 12. So the answer to quadruple 4 is 12. If you notice, with each number we're adding 4. So we have quadruple 2 is 8. Quadruple 3 is 12. So that's a difference of 4. Let's say if we wanted to get our answer to quadruple 4. We know it's going to be 4 more than 12. So let's see. 12 plus 4 is 16. Let's see if we're going to be right. If quadruple 4 is 16. So that would be like saying 4 times 4, which would mean we would have 4 groups of 4. So let's see. We have our groups of 3. So now we're going to add one more and make a group of 4. This time we can count by 4s. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. So 4 times 4, or quadruple 4, is 16. And we could keep going that way. We could say 16 plus 5. Let's see. Or sorry, 16 plus 4, because we're doing quadruple. So 16 plus 4 is 20. Let's see if quadruple 5 would be 20. So we're going to add one more to each group. So we have now 5, 5, 5, and oh, I need one more, 5. So we can count by 5s now. 5, 10, 15, 20. So quadruple 5 would be 20. So we can keep adding 4 to each set of quadruples. So quadruple 2 is going to be 4 more than quadruple 1. Quadruple 3 is going to be 4 more than quadruple 2. Or we can stick to our addition and multiplication each time to help us solve the answer. If you have any questions, you can always ask in class. Have a great day.